So today is a little bit of a different video. Well, I literally say this every time I record a commentary video, so I should probably stop saying that. Anyways, today we're gonna be doing nothing really. I don't even know how I'm gonna title this video. It's basically about sort of a guide, but not really a guide. It's like a fucking I don't even know. I guess I can call it a guide. So, what I'm gonna go through is show you how to get how to get stuff faster, how to get informed about everything in the Naruto Online world. So first of all, you will find very useful to go on this website. This is I'll put a link in description. This is Konoha Proxy website, and it has a lot of useful stuff. First of all, it's a combo simulator, like you can see. You can like put anyone, and they will show you the combo, the best. Okay, so basically, how you do that, you can put you can put the same ninjas. I don't know why, because there are some modes in game that it allows you to put the same ninjas, but not here. So you put the Almighty Team 7. And or any other team you want, and you click here on max combo, and it shows you which one is like making the max combo. See, 8 with the Rhino. Click average combo, it shows you like max and like sort of, I don't know how this works, max and like not max. I mean, this is max as well. Maybe if there's multiple, I know it will show here as well. So this is probably Rhino. You can get like over 8, probably get 9. Let's see that. 7, 5. Yeah, maybe you gotta reposition these, but anyway, it's simple as that. Now, here you can select main characters, and this is important because when you go to talents, you're gonna see elemental talents. So if you wonder what they do, you just go on this website, read this stuff here, and change someone else. They all have it. It's pretty much updating very frequently, so if we get more of them, I'm pretty sure they're gonna be added here. Alright, so what else is here? I don't know what this arena test mode means, honestly. I don't think you will need it either. Oh yeah, by the way, you can get different languages here. I don't know. Oh, you go top here, BR, and no translate. So okay, this is my dark mode that's showing this weirdly, but there we go. Yeah, I don't know, you can't close this, but sure. Yeah, you can change languages, English, French. You can even, there's even a mobile if you play mobile, but this video is not about mobile, so let's go back to English. Yeah, I can close this if I scroll down, but other than that, you're gonna be annoyed by it. So anyways, what else is there? Yeah, if you're wondering what certain breakthrough does, because like if you go in game and you try to see breakthrough of someone, but you don't have him, okay, this shows me everyone who I have. Let's see, who do I not have? I don't have, who has breakthrough here? I don't have second Hakayo Tobirama, and you can see what his breakthrough does. You can't really see it, or what else is here? I don't. There's no one else here. So yeah. You go to this site as well, and then you find someone that has breakthrough. Where was Tobirama? Let's find him. Oh yeah, you can also search here. So you find Tobirama, and you see this little button here that's like a fucking jutsu sign with hands. You just click that, and then you have his skills. Now this doesn't show every skill. I think he did it because it can't fit. I mean, I don't know. He was, but it's like it's not gonna make a difference. If there's +1 to this, it's same skill. Like these, if there are +1s or Ys or Ls, they're all same. It's just like +1, 2 are gonna do more stuff. Like for example, increases critical by 45%, plus 1 would do like 30%, and default wouldn't increase it at all. So you're not gonna worry, it's gonna mean the same thing, so yeah. So yeah, you just read here, and there you go, you know what the breakthrough does. Also, when new ninjas come out, I'm pretty sure this is the first, like this really gets updated fast, like maybe even before they get released, like it's that fast. When it comes to comes to updates most of the time. So we got Hiyashi, and you see him, and you can see how he looks in game. You go here and you read what he does. Put him back, and he's there. So that's one thing. Second thing, which is also useful, like on pair with this is with basic game information. Now, what I'm gonna show you now is a Discord server. So if you don't know what Discord is, it's like it's just a program. Let me search Discord GG. It's just a program. You go on their website, just search Discord on Google. You can use it in browser, or you can download it to be better, like to run better. I mean, it runs smooth in browser too, but you're limited to some features that you can use, but you don't really need them from what I'm going to show you. You will have to make an account and log in, and when you do that, I'll put a link in the description to join this server here. This is Naruto Online community server, as shown here. Like, it's called community server, and it has a fuck ton of shit. So let's go from top to bottom. So, well, never mind. Let's go from, okay. So in top area here, you have shit, and you have leaks about the game. I mean, I usually post this on my what's it called, community section on YouTube, and here you go. Guy swimsuit coming soon. I posted these two, Kotetsu, Deidara. I haven't posted this because honestly I didn't even see. This is the new clothings. Just from behind. There's no pictures. What Earthmain has... Wait. CN leaks. New clothing, swap of clothing main characters. So wind becomes fire, it gets fire clothing. Water gets lightning. Lighting gets wind. Okay, he looks gay as fuck. Earthmain gets water, which is fine, it doesn't look that bad. And fire gets earth. So they get the clothings the same as they have elementals, which is okay, which is kind of cool. So that's first. Okay, here you have what is this? What the fuck? Ninja rent hiring. If I don't even know what is this. This is ninja test. Yeah, it is, I think. But anyways, this is not that important. So yeah, you can see leaks. Help, you can ask people if you want to make a team or something. Oh, it's team help, I see. I never checked this, so you're not gonna get help from me, but in case you need. Then you have the bot, where you can check a amount of players on the server. So let's say plus region, mine is UK, server 60, that's my server, 40 players online only. And it will show merge server, so it's not only, so it will automate. I don't know about other versions. Oh, this is Russian as well, so plus a row, Italy. So I guess you're gonna have to scroll up here to see what's the hotkey, what's the command. This is the bot. I don't know what the fuck it does, but it does something, you know. I don't know, maybe people are trying to, maybe it's not working at the moment. This is game info, so all the basic info you want for the game. Let's say, I think this was collected by people that were, they all like, comes from multiple people, they put it in a list and they put it here. So this might be updated if they see new ninjas appear in new survival. But this is only English version, I think. So if you want other version, I don't know, there is probably Discords for them as well, but you will have to see that with someone from your version. This is mostly for English, but there is also other that are in, like you can see below. The info is strictly English. So next thing is what is this? Cross-region ranking. I don't know what the fuck is this. Oh, this is updating the ranking list about power every month. If you're interested in that. Breakthrough sheet, you can see that, but it's easier to go here and just click here. There you go. So yeah, I recommend that. But there is also the docs. You get everything. You can scroll through everything, but also you can. So see, it's not a. Well, never mind. It's loading in. So there's a lot of shit, but not really. This is the start. Pretty much, you can find everything you need. Or you can go search. Let's say in channel game info. Let's say search tests, and here you have some tiny ninjutsu testing, but this is from here, so it doesn't. Maybe question. Never mind. I think you can find Anko questions on the proxy server as well. Yep, it's top here. Go here, and you have questions. This is Brazilian version, I think. I mean, it looks like. Okay, this. I don't know why it doesn't work. Let's go back. Let's go here. Not private. Okay. Why would this not? Okay, it doesn't work. I don't know. It worked last time I checked, but I'm pretty sure you can find it here. If not, no one cares about Anko questions anyway. Next thing is events. So you have here every version. So this is English, so it only says events. So the server is based on English version. So yeah, you can see what you can find here is all the list of the events and all the fucking prices of it. So you can be lazy like I am and just go here. You're interested in how much it costs to get this fucking suit for this clothing. You go up here, and it's called Souring Youth. Total redeemable 50, 850 points. 230 to 270. Look, it's not 100% true when it comes to RNG events, but yeah, it's about 5k coupons on average. About 100 per fragment, which is normal price, you know. So yeah, that's there. What else do you have? You have a review of events. If you're interested, what like about the feedback of the event, what are the recommendations? I never read this, 'cause I don't give a fuck. I mean, if you reach the point where you know the game, you don't really need it. Now this is China events, so every time they get an update, you can see the new ninjas here, and you can see changes to. See, Sasori got changed in passive. You get an update if you're really curious, or if you're playing. New ninjas to Zenith. So literally most of the updates you can see. Maybe they're gonna miss some. You know, see Nagato skill trail. You can see it here, but you can also go here and search for Nagato and click on this, and there you go, you got his. Simple as that, just 2 clicks away. German events here, you don't see the prices because I don't. Yeah, this is mainly so you can't see the prices, but you can see what are the events. Yeah, yeah, pretty much everything. That's pretty much everything for the Discord as well. Nothing else up down here. Yeah, this is pretty much it. So events, help section, and leaks in top. So those are the 3 sections you want to watch. And I'll put a link in the description. You just gotta click it. Make sure to make account, or if you don't, I think you can like make it and then go back to the link. Because I don't know, like, you know. Put a link so you'll have everything, and thanks for watching. It's pretty much it for today's video. I don't know, like, might make more guys if you guys want it. If you don't want them, I'll make them still, because I don't give a fuck if you want or don't want. You're gonna watch whatever I record, you know? Do you listen? Okay, I also. Ciao, ciao.